Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this chicken stew. So into a pot on fire, I went in with my blended garlic, ginger and onions. I went ahead to add my seasonings of choice, and I used chicken seasoning, some salt here and some Maggi cube. Now I added some water. I'm going to stir this and I'll allow it to cook with the juice and then produce its own juice to cook this. You want this to cook until it's soft and tender. So let's cover this and allow it to cook. After a few minutes, we want to flip this over to ensure that it's doing well on both sides. It's cooking well on both sides. So we just stir and turn it over so this can also cook on the other side. We are going to be covering this again so it can take its time to cook very well. It's for stew, so we want it to be soft enough before we go ahead to do what? To fry it. Now our chicken is ready. We can now set this aside, and into the same pot or into a separate frying pan you put in your oil, and you make sure your oil is heated enough and add enough oil if you prefer that, and go ahead to put in your chicken, and we are going to fry this until it's golden brown like this. And now we can just take it from the oil, because we are going to use the same oil. Into the same oil, go in with your sliced onions, and then you want to stir this and allow it to fry for a few minutes. After this is done, introduce your tomato paste. And when it comes to the tomato paste, you want to take your time to really fry your tomato paste so your stew doesn't become sour. You want it to become very nice, because if you fry it well, everything will just cook properly and on low heat, so it can take its time without burning. Stir this very well, and if you achieve something like this, you can go in with your tomato. I have some freshly chopped tomato here. I'll introduce that, and I blended some pepper and onions and some garlic on the side, which I'll introduce here as well. If you have all of these blended together, just go ahead and pour it into your tomato paste just like this and stir this, and we are going to allow this to cook on medium to low heat. You don't want it to cook so fast. You want it to really take a time to cook without burning. So just do it like that, and you have to take your time. So we'll cover this and we allow this to cook. You can see the oil settling on top. It means we are getting there. Our stew is getting better. Stir this again and then introduce your seasonings. I'm using some curry powder, some salt here, and you can use any seasoning of your choice. I also introduced some natural spice blends as well, and I'm going to stir this and I'll allow it to simmer for a few minutes on the fire. And if today is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to like this video if you are enjoying it, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Of course, I upload videos every week, so you have to always visit this channel to get new recipes each and every week. Now you introduce your stock and also introduce your chicken. We are going to stir this and then we'll allow it to cook on low heat. I realized the other pot was too big. I think I have to be careful these days. This pot was too big, so I had to just switch over. I introduced some few vegetables, some onions and some green bell peppers and some pepper habaneros as well. Now we are going to let this sit for a few minutes and our stew is just ready. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly check the description to get all the details you need to make this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.